Miss all Sunday. Welcome back to another video on the channel. I am Dad of Cheems, and I just got back from my LGS, finishing up playing Lorcana. I've been playing the, I think this is the Amethyst Amber deck. Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. But unfortunately, the store didn't have any Lorcana, big surprise, but what they did have was some more One Piece. So I went ahead and bought 5 packs, and they threw in a buy a box card, which is interesting because I just bought 2 boxes yesterday and did not get offered the buy a box card. But then they had these at the store, but they were at $20, which is, you know, twice the price. So I went to the local Target and I picked up 3 of these. So we'll go ahead and get these cracked, but I'm really excited about these because these are supposed to have one of 2 special Dawn, and I'm hoping between 3 boxes we'll pull both of them. But anyway, set those aside for now. Let's start off with just the loose packs first. So we got 5 of these. Remember to be careful on these because I bent the hell out of one of them yesterday. I was about to say snot, but whatever. All right, so here we go. Charlotte, Tom, Ipanmatsu, Kero, Barrier, Apis, Tanoyoshi, Koza, Dragon Twister, Demolition Breath. I was hoping for a couple more of these to play with the Rebecca deck that I'm trying to build unsuccessfully right now because, you know, don't have a lot of black or blue. Oh, nice. Got King and Sugar. Nice. Put that off to the side. Go on to the next pack. I think the trick on these is to open them slowly down the side. That way you get a nice clear, nice clean tear. So Sanji, Kuro, Pound, Law, got Madoki. Miss Merry Christmas. This is actually a ridiculous card. Hideo, Mr. 4, Suleiman, Isho, Senior Pink, and Who's Who. I'd be very surprised if we got an alt art out of these, just because I'll just be surprised. All right, so Giola, Banana Gator, or Lumbus. So supposedly this is a must-have card for a black deck. So hopefully I will have enough for a playset to put in with the Rebecca deck. Karo, Yokozuna, Don Quixote family, Randolph, Cobra, Diabla, Jambe Joshat, That's a mouthful, but this is a pretty nice card. Iceberg. Shaka. Oh, nice. Got another Rebecca. So I just need 2 more of these and be all good. Alright, so this is going to be pack number 4, the loose. And then we can get into the special boxes. So Ice Oni, Kuro, Miss Golden Week, Playgrounds, Randolph, Yokozuna, Nespom Cannon, Queen, Don Quixote do Flamingo, leader card, Miss Valentine, Trable, and got the special Dawn again. That's awesome. So we have 3 of the special Dawn. Trying to be a little bit more careful on the open on that one to tear it down, but it didn't work too well for me, but that's all right. So Dellinger, Chinjio, Kung Fu, Black Maria, Weakness is an Unforgivable Sin, Cobra, Charlotte. Oh, another Coliseum. I think that makes a playset now. Koza, Sasaki, Colors Trap, and Charlotte Amande. All right, so those are the loose packs. Of course, no alternate art, no big surprise there. So let's get into these. So these contain 2 booster packs and then a special Dawn card pack. So there are 2 Dawn that are available with this, and holy cow, that plastic is a pain in the butt. All right, here we go. So what's cool about these is once you get them out of their little sleeve, they actually double as a card box. So what I find really interesting is that there's an opportunity to, gosh, maybe put 6 or more in here. They chose just for 2. And that's all right, because these packs, depending on where you get them, my local game store had them at $20. Target has them at $10, which is fairly close to the retail price on the Bonanza site. All right, so Rabion, Gyola, Chinjio, Kung Fu, Randolph, Playgrounds, Yokozuna, Mr. 3, Druin, oops, sorry, Super Spot, Build Duck Troops, Zorro, and then we have a very, very nice Crocodile. Yeah, that will be a very nice addition. I think that's the second one I have of this particular card for the LSU deck. I think it's Crocodile that's actually the yellow-purple, and then the intent is to use mainly the purple character cards for the deck. So Ice Oni, Kuro, Miss Golden Week, Omo. Let's see, Barrier. Mr. 13 this Friday. Nami. Tonoyashi. Yasu, sorry. Jack. That one again. Oh! Oh! Another Gum Gum Red Rock. Fantastic card, and I am super excited to get a second one of these. And then Keen Amon. Cool, so there's the first box down. Heading into box number 2, moving the sleeves. I'll save the Dawn cards for last, along with the buy a box promo. And that will work a little bit better, turning down the side. And somehow still got hooked. If I get an alt art in any of this, I'm going to be super duper happy. So Sanji, Banana Gator, Hanger, or Lumbus, Barrier, Yokozuna. The weak do not have the right to choose how they die. Super Spot, Build Duck Troop, Jack, who is completely jacked. And there's the Diablo again. Oh my goodness gracious me. 2 Gum Gum Red Rocks. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, holy cow. Got a alt art card out of one of these. Super. I know this one's not like the super duper expensive one, but you know what? You get what you get and you don't throw a fit. At least that's what they told my son throughout elementary school. All right. Not bad, folks. Not bad. Getting an alt art out of one of these. So it is possible. All right, so Charlotte, Tom, Ipanmatsu, Kato, Randolph, Weakness is an Unforgivable Sin, Roki, Mockvice, Mr. 2, Queen, Bartol, Romeo. I need a couple of those. And Heavenly Fire. That's a badass card. Okay. And final of the double packs. My understanding, this is the first time that they've done the double packs, so this is awesome that I decided to get into the game at this point, at this stage, because good stuff is going on. So I hope you guys are having a good day. Any day where you get to play some of your favorite games with other people that enjoy playing them is a good day in my book. Tony Chopper, Daddy Masterson, Tom Viola, Tono Yasu, Law, Roki, Sasaki, Hiyori, Flapping Thread. I think I got maybe one of these out of the box. You got and Miss All Sunday. All right, final pack out of the new boxes. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna kill these cards doing that. And just all right. Hanger, Stussy, Carmel, Mr. 13, Nami. The weak don't have a right to choose how they die. Otame, Mr. 3, this guy. Super Spot Build Duck Troops. I think I now have a playset of these guys. This guy. And nice. Another Don Quixote do Flamingo. I'm gonna go ahead and sleeve him up. Going through the sort these guys shouldn't be as bad since I still have the all the others stuff from yesterday still off to the side here. Got some pretty good pulls from this. All right, so big question. Let's be very careful with this one since there's just a single card. This is a promo Boodle. East Blue. Very nice. Oh, and this is from the third set. OPO 3. Nice. Okay. So here comes the exciting part, ladies and gentlemen. Will I get both types? So here we go with the Dawn card. Very cool. Okay. We're hoping that we get both types. So with the first two, looks like we have duplicates. So final one. Yeah, looks like we got the same with all 3 packs. So that's a little disappointing. 3 different packs, same 3 Dawn cards, but that's pretty cool, folks. That's pretty cool. Hitting a alt art, hitting some pretty good cards, being able to complete some of my play sets to get that much closer to being able to construct my own decks. That's the goal. Well, I want to say thank you for spending some of your time with me. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, have a pleasant rest of your day.